Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to activate your quick launch into Samsung Galaxy F23. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option, this one. Go into, now choose Side Key option, and here click here on the switcher to activate your quick launch. Tap it, and then choose your options, maybe a quick launch camera. And let's try to open. Double press the power key, and how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.